This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 3. So the question states, let x and y be finite sets and a function f x to y be a function. Which one of the following statement is true? Okay. So what I will do is that I will take an example to see the following statements and will tell you the reason why a given statement is false. So let us take the set x. So the option A is for any subsets A and B of x, cardinality of f of A union B is equal to cardinality of f of A plus cardinality of f of B. Okay, so let us take the examples. Let us assume x to be A, B and C and y set to be 1 and 2. A function f is defined from A to B. How it is defined? So f of A, or let me draw the diagram for this. So we have A, B and C over here and we have 1 and 2 over here. So what is f of A? F of A is 1, let us assume. What is f of B? Let us assume f of B is 1. What is f of C? F of C is 1. Okay, so it is a many to one function. And let us assume that the sets, we have two sets over here, set A and B. Let us assume set A to be consisting of A only and set B to be consisting of B and C. Okay, now let us see the options. So option is cardinality of f of A union B. So what is A union B? A union B is ABC. So what is f of A union B? So f of A union B is f of ABC. What is f of ABC? F of ABC is 1. So what is cardinal? See, f of ABC is our 1. So what is cardinality of 1? Cardinality of 1 is 1. Now what is FA plus FP? What is FA? FA is cardinality of FA plus cardinality of FP. So cardinality of FA is, FA is our 1, so cardinality of 1 plus what is FP? FP is our 1. So it has only one item, so cardinality is 1. One item, cardinality is 1. So it comes out to be 2. So LHS is 1, RHS is 2. So it is false. When will this fail? Actually, if you want to see when will this fail, so let us assume this is our x and this is our y. Let us assume that we took something like this to be our x and there is an overlap between x and y. Let us assume that this is y. Okay, now so fx maps to some item and this set will map to same items. This set will map to same items and fy map to some different items. So these items will be double counted in the right hand side, due to which they won't be equal in some of the cases. Okay, so option A is false. Now let us see option B. So we will be using the same example for seeing for option B. So option B says for any sets A and B. So what was our sets? So our set was A consisted of only A and set B consisted of B and C. So it is saying f of A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? It is phi. So what is f of phi? So f of phi is nothing. It is phi only. And what is FA intersection FP? FA intersection FP. So what is FA? FA is our 1. 1 intersection FB is our 1. So FA intersection FB is 1. So phi is not equal to 1. So option B is also false. Now when will this case become false? So let us assume this is our x and this is our y. So what happens is that we are taking some A and B. So if we are taking A and B to be disjoint, A and B to be disjoint, but let us assume that it maps to this, it maps to this, it maps to this, and even it is many to one relation. So this also maps to this, and this maps to this, and this maps to this. So FA intersection FB will be phi, but this A intersection B will be phi. But see, FA and FB will have a common element, which due to this many to one relation, and thus it won't be equal to phi. Thus option B is also false. Now let us see option C. So option C states what was our A set. A set consisted of only A and B set consisted of B and C. So FC states, it states cardinality of f of A intersection B equals to min of cardinality of FA and FB. FA and cardinality of FB. Okay. So let us do LHS first. So LHS is cardinality of f of A intersection B is phi. So cardinality of phi. So what is cardinality of phi? It is 0. Let us do RHS. It is min of f of A. F of A is f of small a. Small a is 1. So it comes out to be 1. And f of B. F of B is also 1. And their cardinalities. Min of their cardinalities. Cardinality of this is 1 and the second one is also 1. So min of this is 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is also false. Now let us see option D. So by default option D is true, but let us see it. So what is it saying? F inverse of S intersection T equals to F inverse of S intersection F inverse of T. So F inverse means pre-image. So the sets S and T. So it is given that we have an inverse for a function. What is F inverse? F inverse means inverse of a function. So when is inverse of a function defined? So inverse of a function is possible only when the function is 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto means the function is bijective. Okay. So which means since f is bijective, so whenever any subset of y, S and T overlap. So whenever S and T will overlap, their corresponding images of F inverse will also overlap according to the definition of bijective function. And if they don't overlap, if S and T don't overlap, then the images also won't overlap in X. Thus, this is true because it is bijective function.